How to activate Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can activate Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you want to activate Amazon Prime, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon, but the process will be much more simpler if you do it from your browser. So I would recommend that you open up your browser, then go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, you will see this type of interface where you need to log into your Amazon account, then tap on start your free trial option. And when you tap on start your free trial, you can see all the Prime benefits and options where you have to simply select add a credit or debit card button, and when you tap on add a credit or debit card, you will be able to enter your payment details, and as a result your Amazon Prime subscription will get activated. That's all it takes to activate Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.